नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Visitors, viewers, participants of this beautiful program in Ohio, United States of America, I welcome all of you. It's a pleasure to be with you all. It is time humanity gets the next conscious breakthrough. We have come long way. Our journey is not just one life. Life after life after life after life. From amoeba, one cell, till fish. Our evolution is a physical evolution, sheer physical evolution, body evolving. From fish to monkey, physical and psychological evolution. From monkey to man, physical, psychological and conscious evolution. Now, man to divine, man to Superman. This breakthrough is going to be physical, psychological, conscious and superconscious breakthrough. Humanity is ready for this breakthrough. It is time humanity gets this breakthrough. Understand? Either we get this breakthrough or it is going to be global suicide. There is no question of or. We cannot think of or. We have to have this conscious breakthrough. Awakening your possibilities and powers by upgrading your consciousness is the first priority for humanity now. We have seen enough of luxuries, ideas, the so-called multiple choices being taught as a freedom. Falsely. Understand? Freedom is ability to handle you, not just multiple choice. We have seen enough of all this. It is time. If the journey we have walked for so long as to achieve its goal and results, it should see a superconscious breakthrough. It is only superconscious breakthrough that is going to give completion to humanity. Understand? It's like you drive hundreds of miles to reach your home. You enter the garage. You even parked your car. But before getting down from your car and reaching your bedroom, if you have a heart attack, what is the use of the journey? We are in that space now. Long journey. We can't afford heart attack. We can't afford any breaking now. We can afford only breakthrough, not breaking. It is time for superconscious breakthrough for humanity. Understand? Each civilization has contributed something to humanity. Each civilization has contributed something to humanity. For example, European civilization, they were taken up, worked with all the political systems. They tried every possible political system and finally given the best political system, democracy, to the world. Some civilizations have worked on the taste bud so much, multiple ideas, understandings about taste, they have given best food for the humanity. Some civilizations have taken up the economical systems and they have done so much of research and development and given best possible understandings about the economical system. Indian civilization has taken up giving conscious breakthrough as their core. They have done so much of research and development. They mastered the science of giving conscious breakthrough to individuals, societies at large, humanity itself. For last 100 years, few of my predecessors were putting all their energy, effort, intelligence and pushing for the next conscious breakthrough. Ramakrishna, Ramana Maharshi, Aurobindo, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Prabhupada, Paramahamsa Yogananda, all of them, Shirdi Sai Baba, all of them were working intensely to push the human consciousness to the next level, to give a conscious breakthrough. Fortunately, by Sadashiva's grace, now it has become reality. It has become reality. It is no more a theory. I am here with you all. The great news. Superconscious breakthrough is no more theory, proposal, thesis. It is reality. The great news I have for whole humanity, superconscious breakthrough is reality. Here I am presenting in front of you few of the beings. At least few thousand specimens have been already created. Means few thousands have achieved this superconscious breakthrough. The few are in front of you demonstrating the highest possibilities and powers. Understand, Indian civilization from time immemorial working on this great science of giving conscious breakthrough. Every age, during every age, it is Indian civilization's responsibility to give a conscious breakthrough, superconscious breakthrough to humanity. In those days, that age means it will be some beginning. It was a few thousand years, Ice Age. Then it got reduced when the steel was invented. It became just few hundred years. Then, when the internet came, it became just few decades. Now, every next version of the iPhone releasing is one age. Every new Apple product release is one age. Indian civilization mastered the science of giving conscious breakthrough in every age. Now, last few hundred years of intense hard work of my predecessors, Ramakrishna, Ramana Maharshi, Aurobindo, all their intense efforts. Fortunately, I had all the three growing me, nurturing me. Born from Ramana Maharshi, breathed Aurobindo, grown in Ramakrishna Mission. Fortunately, born from Ramana, breathed Aurobindo, nurseried in Ramakrishna's space. Now, this superconscious breakthrough has become reality by Sadashiva's grace. Understand, I am not essence of Indian civilization. I am the best of Indian civilization. I am not presenting you the essence of Indian civilization. I am presenting you the best of Indian civilization. Beings who are having the superconscious breakthrough, I am presenting them in front of you. The powers they are manifesting, the possibilities they are manifesting is not magic, it's not fraudulent. It's a pure power, logically, scientifically demonstrable, verifiable, spiritually reproducible. Science can only validate and verify. Science cannot reproduce. Only spirituality can reproduce. These powers can stand the scrutiny of science, can stand the scrutiny and verification of science, and the logic of this power can stand the scrutiny of common man's logic. Spirituality can reproduce this. So these powers and possibilities the superconscious beings are demonstrating is not just only for them, it is for all of you. I am not sending them there to show my glory or to show my pride. I am sending them there to give you invitation. They are not my pride, they are my invitation to you. They are not my pride, they are my invitation to you. So I invite all of you. My place is open. Please come, inquire, verify, validate, learn, enjoy, experience, and express all these possibilities and powers. I welcome you all. I have a range of programs available through two-way video conferencing and face-to-face live training. You are welcome to experience, and we have a beautiful, amazing program, Mahasadashivoham, happening in Bangalore, India in December. It is totally 25 days, 23 days of intense spiritual conscious breakthrough, 2 days just to prepare you and settle you. I welcome all of you, and this superconscious breakthrough will build new body, new mind, new being for you. I welcome Ohio, O humanity. Come, it is time you experience superconscious breakthrough. Superconscious breakthrough is no more theory, no more concept, no more idea, no more a fantasy, no more a utopia, no more just a thesis, no more a proposal, no more a trial and error. It is real, really, really real, and it is reality in front of you. Please come and enjoy, experience, express these great possibilities and powers. Understand, when you have intention, there cannot be any obstacles. You are a human being. Your intention is more powerful than any obstacle possible. No obstacle is possible when you have intention. Set your intention, all the obstacles will be removed. You will be here. My support and blessings for you to be here for Mahasadashivoham. We have a beautiful Hindu temple monastery complex in Ohio, and the deity installed, Sadashiva, is personally carved by me, and I welcome all of you to come and have the darshan of the deity. Understand? If two eyes sees the two eyes, it is called meeting, seeing. If two eyes sees the three eyes, and when you go back, it becomes 6 eye, it is called darshan. 2 plus 3 becoming 6 is darshan. 2 plus 2 going back as 4 is seeing. So I welcome all of you to have darshan of Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva in Ohio Adinam. You will taste the conscious breakthrough. Then you know it's real. Naturally, you will be here for Mahasadashivoham in December. I welcome all of you to be here for Mahasadashivoham, December. With this, I welcome you all to come and taste the conscious breakthrough humanity need to have. Thank you. Be blissful.